Hi everybody, it's week 6. We're getting into week 6, and this week we're talking about something that a lot of students don't like to talk about. We're talking about actually reading your sources. And not only just reading them, but reading them critically. And you're going to find out what that means with this week. You have some reading this week, but I've also got some videos in this week's lesson as well to explain some of the things that you're going to be doing and you're going to be asked to do with your sources. So when you look at the assignments, it looks like there is a lot, but some of these are quite easy. So don't stress out when you see this list of assignments. The first assignment, the assessing your reading strategies, this is basically just filling out a handout, and it's designed to help you understand the strategies that you're currently using and perhaps be exposed to some strategies that maybe you've never tried before and that might help you become a more critical reader. If you are confused about how to fill it out, there's a video of me completing it here with instructions. So watch the video if you're not quite sure how, once you read the instructions, how to fill it out. Another assignment this week, you're going to go out and find the sources, the web-based sources for your midterm project. So you have to find 2 websites or information from 2 websites, one from what you think is a really good source that you found on the web, and one that you think is a not so good source that you found on the web. So you'll follow the instructions here. This is part A. For the bad source, you basically just need to tell me why you think it's bad. For the good source, you're going to tell me why you think it's good, and part of that is practicing your critical reading skills. So you're going to read the text probably several times, you're going to do some annotating, you're going to take some notes, and that's how you're going to come to your conclusion. So all of that is in part A of the assignment. Part B of the assignment, I just want you to share your notes with me, and that might be in the form of you take a picture of it, or you scan it as a PDF, or maybe you've done it on a Google Doc or a Word doc. Whatever format it's in, you're going to upload it. So just so I can see, show me some evidence that you actually took some time to read the text, you took some notes, maybe you highlighted, however it is that you are annotating your text. The small group discussion, please don't panic about the small group discussions. You're basically just copying and pasting information from your individual assignment, finding when you found your good and bad web sources. So even if you copy and paste it directly from your Google Doc, I'm fine with that. But then also make sure that you go in and respond to your classmates. The responses aren't due until Monday. And you've got another crash course video. This week the title, Who Can You Trust? Again, we're talking about evaluating the authority of a source, and he gives you some techniques to look into the authority of authors and to look into the authority of the source itself, who's responsible for the source. Okay, that's it for me. Those are your assignments this week. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you reach out to me, and I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.